Hello everyone, welcome to Tasty in Situ. Today we're making beans and plantain. I just chopped the onions using a spoon to scrape the ginger, grating it. Everything is going into the beans. I have spring onions here. I'm going to use this for garnishing much later, but just getting everything ready. This is the plantain. It's a tropical plant. It's soft to the touch when you squeeze it a little bit when it's ready and ripe. It could be eaten unripe too. Very nutritious. This is going to be deep fried. So I just cut it into slices. You could cut it into cubes if you want. It's sweet. It's to be salted and fried. I'm going to use 2 cups of black eye beans. I'm giving it a good wash here. I have to wash, strain, like do it over 3 or 4 times. For this recipe, I'm using the habanero pepper, using my little mortar to pound. I'm also getting some hot water boiling. Cooking with hot water always speeds up the process. Washed beans going. And these beans is going to cook for 1 hour. You want it to be nice and soft by the time you begin to mix all the other ingredients. You also have to keep a close eye on the beans so the water doesn't dry out. You keep adding water until it is nice and cooked. Next, you strain and give it a good wash. You could wash it like 4 times just to drain off all that dark colored water. Clean, nice beans goes into the pot, and I'm adding the boiling water. Onions goes in. I love the purple onions. It has a lot of flavor. This is stew, pounded pepper, and this is 3/4 cup palm oil. I have onion powder and curry powder, salt to taste, and grated ginger. If you like this type of content, like, comment, subscribe, share, stay notified. And at this point, you get to see me stir and stir and stir. I want to thicken the mix. I added 3 bouillon cubes to this. You begin to see how thick it is getting. The water is reducing, and so it's getting thicker. And at that point, the beans is ready. Next step is the plantains. I'm using canola oil. The canola oil is able to take heat real good. And I'm using my cast iron fry pan. I put a little salt on the plantains, and I'm going to deep fry. Now for the plantains, you have to babysit them. If you blink, it burns. So as you watch the plantains, as soon as it gets brown on one side, you flip. So you keep doing the flip, flip, flip until everything gets really nice and golden brown. You take the plantain out, put it on a paper towel to soak up some of the excess oil. and it's ready to be served. Here is our beans and the plantain on the side. And I'm going to garnish with the spring onion. Enjoy!
Tastes nice, very good. The bean is soft, the type I like. Very tasty.